Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
Visakhapatnam, the two-day climate change workshop for journalists organized by U.S. Consulate General of Hyderabad and Views Empowering People at Andhra University American Corner concluded on Thursday. The speakers stressed that climate change can be considered as a silent disaster, as it is leading to increased floods, global warming, extreme droughts, heat waves, and wildfires. Professor Murthy of our journalism department said that journalists play a major role in mitigating climate change by explaining the human causes to increase public support for urgent action. The former head of the Metrology and Oceanography Department, Professor OSRU Bhanu Kumar, said that journalists are the major stakeholders and they must communicate sustainability and environmental protection to the public. Investing in renewable energy sources and afforestation are the major tools for protecting climate that must be disseminated to the masses immediately. With the increase in greenhouse gases, the annual temperatures have drastically increased, leading to the melting of glaciers. This is the leading cause of rising sea levels at an alarming rate, added Professor Bhanu Kumar. Board of Studies Chairman Professor Challa Ramakrishna said that journalists can help in curbing the dangerous effects of climate change by communicating the best solutions. Views Executive Director Selveen Bhima Rao said that the workshop upskilled the journalists and students in reporting climate change. Dr. Krishnaveer Abhishek and others spoke on this occasion. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.